Hello everybody, Dimitri here from uPVC.au. Today we'll be discussing everything about screens and security screens, box sections and rails. So yeah, here we have the normal setup. This can be joined together to make 2, 3 or 4 for bifold doors, stacker doors, multi-sliding. They interconnect together. End cap slips on the outside. That's one system. Then we have this one with a full piece. So this will sit against the frame. This is the sliding for the wheels. Then there's a narrow version, as you can see. Wheels here as well. Then this one, another option. This is the new one recently came out with a low infill lip. So if the frame is too high against this channel, this piece just comes out, and this can slide underneath. Or you can use it as a normal piece. This just clips in like that. And here we have the box section. This is where the hinges go on this side. Top, left and bottom connects together. And here we have the colors. This is a golden oak, Commonly Deconing, Aliplast, Vika. Pretty much all the uPVC frames out there use this foil from Renolit Exafoil FX. This is a walnut V, Nausbaum, also known as chestnut. Then we have the greys. This is actually a Ceylon black, which is a Commerling frame. Then we have this one. This is a charcoal. This is close to anthracite grey. This is a aluminium powder coat. This is a gully, aluminium as well. Suited for aluminium mainly. Beige, cream white for uPVC matching frames, and of course the white as you have as well. So all these will be documented on my website at upvc.com.au/products/screens. So yeah, thank you for watching.